Welcome. In this video, we will see how to set up Hadoop environment on Windows 7 using Cygwin. We will create two-node Hadoop cluster on Windows in this example. For this, we will require two Windows 7 machines. One will act as master and other as slave. The process goes as install and configure Cygwin 2.774, install and configure Java 1.7.0, install and configure Hadoop 0.20.2, set up Hadoop two-node cluster. So first we will install Cygwin. For that, right click on setup file and choose run as administrator. Keep everything default and click on next. Select first link and click on next. Click on OK. Under select packages to install, search OpenSSH. Under search result, install each and every package. For that, just click once on the package. Next is OpenSSL. Here also install each and every package. Next is TCP_wrappers. Last is DIFF UTILS. It is already installed. Click on next. Click on next. So we have completed with installing Cygwin. Fire up a Cygwin terminal by right clicking on it and select run as administrator. Now we will install SSHD service. For privilege separation, write yes, press enter. For new local account, write yes, press enter. To install SSD as a service, write yes, press enter. For value of Cygwin, just keep blank and press enter. For different name, write no, press enter. It will create a new account CYG_server, write yes, press enter. Give a password for the new user. Now go to services in Windows. Locate Cygwin SSD service. Right click on it. Select properties. Start it. Go to master machine. Fire up a Cygwin terminal. Now we will set up a passwordless login. For that, generate RSA keys. Do not use a passphrase and accept all default values. Now we will add this generated identification key to the set of authorized keys on master. It will ask, do you want to continue? Write yes and press enter. Enter the password for the master. Similarly, add the generated identification key to the authorized keys on slave. Rest follow the same procedure. This concludes Cygwin installation. We have already installed Java version 1.7.0. Please note that while installation, change path to C:\Java. Configure Java environment on Windows by adding Java entries to environment variables. Give variable name as Java_home, variable value where Java is installed. Also add the same value to the path variable at the end. Thus we are done with setting up Java environment. Now we will start with Hadoop installation. Go to the location where we have kept Hadoop tar file. Extract the tar file. Access Hadoop conf folder. We need to add Java entry in hadoop-env.sh file. But this alteration is to be done on Linux machine. We have already done. As we can see, Java home path specifies the location where Java is installed. We will just copy and replace it. Let us make some changes to Hadoop's configuration files, core.xml, hdfs.xml and mappers.xml. Open core.xml. Specify the machine that will act as the name node. For that, change the fs.default.name parameter value to name node URL. It specifies host and port. In our case, host is master. Save it. Open HDFS site XML. Change the dfs.replication variable. It defines how many machines a single file should be replicated to before it becomes available. We have only 2 nodes available, so we set dfs.replication value to 2. Save it. Open mapper site XML. Specify the machine that will act as the job tracker. For that, change the mapper.job.tracker parameter value to host:port. Again, master is the host in our case. Open masters file. Replace localhost with master. Open slaves file. Replace localhost with master and slave. Follow same procedure for slave machine which we have already done, except for one change. Open slaves file and replace localhost with slave. Thus we are done with setting up Hadoop environment on Windows 7. You may refer other video in which we have already shown how to set up Hadoop 2-node cluster. Thank you.